Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. Today's video is about a dash cam. Today I will unbox a new dash cam for you. This is Next Digitron S Plus dash cam which I have procured from Amazon. Now why you should need a dash cam I have told already in a previous video. This dash cam acts as a third eye in case you have any untoward incident, if you have any accident or there is some scam in the road, and this particular footage will give you a proof that your car was not involved in that or particular event. ড্যাশ ক্যাম অবশ্যই জরুরি এবং প্রত্যেককেই আমি কিনতে বলবো, এবং এটা একটা সাক্ষীর মতো। কোনো যদি দুর্ঘটনা বা অন্য কিছু ঘটে যায় সেই বেলায় কিন্তু ড্যাশ ক্যাম আপনাদের যে ফুটেজ থাকবে সেটা দিয়ে আপনি প্রুফ করতে পারবেন। অলসো ইন কেস অফ এনি ইন্স্যুরেন্স ক্লেমস অর ইন কেস অফ এনি কলিশনস, ড্যাশ ক্যাম উইল হেল্প ইউ with the footage to prove whose fault it was, and not only the fault, it will help you in claims and in other court proceedings also. So dash cam is a very important accessory in your car. Now let me unbox it. This is a 128 GB memory card recommended by this company. So I have procured this particular memory card and it's 128 GB. This is not included in this package. I have purchased it separately. I chose 128 GB. It will have more days of footage, so I have chosen 128 GB. Let me show you the specifications. It supports loop recording, record your voice, got night vision, and it records at 1080 30 fps. That is standard in a budget dash cam like this. It supports Wi-Fi, G sensor. In case of any collision or anything happening like that, it will automatically store that particular footage. It supports up to 128 GB. There is an app with which you can synchronize this particular videos, and you can directly show the app from your. Let me show you what are the things available over here. The connecting cable, it's quite long, so easily install it any car. It's a long wire. There is a charging socket and it supports two USBs, since one will be engaged with your dash cam, so another one will be left for your charging needs. There is a pry tool in case you need to tuck it under the headliner. The GPS module, there is a model without the GPS, but I will always prefer a model with a GPS one, so that will help you to identify your speed, and in case there is a speeding ticket you can challenge that you are not driving at that speed. That's why I will recommend the one with GPS. Particular app with which you need to connect body cam camera. This is your mounting adapter. Here you can see the Next Digitron logo, and this is 330-degree rotatable, so based on your windscreen design you can easily accommodate this particular camera. And this is the adhesive type mount. I prefer that suction mount, but I have seen they provide suction mount separately that you have to purchase. So, and this particular adhesive mount is detachable, so you can detach it from the camera when required. So that's the unboxing, and I will install it in the car, and after installing I will show you the videos samples, how the video samples are. Now I will install this particular camera in this car. Before installing, what I will do, I will connect the camera app to my phone. That is quite important because this camera doesn't have any dedicated screen to control, so you need a phone to operate this camera. So now I will install this particular app. For this I need to scan the QR code. This is the GaadiCam app of Next Digitron. This particular camera requires this particular app to control it, so I am installing it. Before that, let me show you one thing. All the cameras in this range do have either a micro USB or a mini USB, but this particular camera supports USB-C, which is the latest form of USB connection, which I like most about this camera. And let me show you, there is a reset button here. In case your camera hangs, then you can reset it with this particular hole with the help of a pin. This is a mic to record the audio, and this is how the camera is. Yes, the app has been installed. Let's go through the procedures. Get phone location information, connect to Wi-Fi dash cam. Okay, before that I need to insert the memory card. This is Samsung 128 GB memory card. Now let me install this memory card and let's see the orientation. It should be like this. So it has been inserted. You will hear a click sound. Okay, so it has been locked. Now let me switch on the camera. First I will make a temporary connection and set everything, then I will fix it in the windscreen. So let me first fix the 12-volt socket. So I have connected the 12-volt socket. Now I have connected the USB port. Now let me connect it with the dash cam. Okay.
Start recording.
So the camera has been connected and it's ready for connecting with your phone. Now let me tell you guys, this also supports a dedicated hardware kit that you have to purchase separately if you want a 24 hours monitoring. If you are parking monitoring, then you need to purchase this. But in my case I don't require it because I park my car in a dedicated garage. And you can purchase a suction mount separately, and there is a CPL filter. What is CPL filter? It will reduce the glare when you are driving against the sun, and it will also reduce your windscreen glare, so you can also purchase this separately. Add dash cam. Next, it asked to connect it. Okay, connect, add new dash cam, install, and it's powered on. I have checked it's powered on. Now the dash cam has been connected. You see it's showing connected. Now let's go back to the app, trying to add the dash cam. Connect, dash cam connected. Okay, now let's see, let's go for app settings. It's English. Take the date format. So the app has been installed. Now it has started to record. Now I will place the dash cam in a preferred location. Normally the practice is behind the looking mirror, but here you see all the wiper sensors, then temperature sensors are there, so you cannot install it here. In this type of car, either the location can be here or it can be here, depending where you want to install. And after installation you can adjust this particular lens according to your preference. So I will place it here, and let me see whether the GPS module has sufficient wiring. GPS can be fitted here, so I can route the wire like that. Okay, in the top of windshield. To clean this particular windshield with the help of a isopropyl alcohol, so it will rub all your impurities or any dirt and help you to stick it perfectly. So it's very cheap. Any electronics repairing stores are selling this at a very cheap price. So I have removed the adhesive tape. So I have been able to fix it. So I have connected the GPS module. Now I will route this entire wires through the headliner. Now for this I will require this. So I have channeled the entire wiring through this particular trim. So all the wires have been tucked neatly. Now I will take it through this area. Now special care should be taken that so that the wire doesn't tangles with any of your paddles or anything like that. So let me show you the proper way. I will be using some wire binders. I have taken the wire like this. From here I have routed through this particular area. I have tied it with the help of wire binders, and finally I have taken it to that position. From there I have taken through this particular area, through this particular trim. The wire is coming from there, and I have again tucked it inside. Okay, so finally I have completed all the wirings. It has come from here, it has gone through this particular console. There is the wire, and from there okay, through this particular trim. So the wire is almost hidden. So everything has been neatly finished. Now I will adjust the camera position after starting the car.
Start recording.
Now let me see the positions. Okay, so this is the footage. As you can see, it has started to record also. Now I will show you some sample shots during daytime and night time, and after that I will tell you the final verdict, whether you should buy this dash cam or whether you should not buy this dash cam. So here you can see the footage. This is the footage of a cloudy day early in the morning. Now you can see during sunset, and there is little light on the roads, and you do check the number plates of the car whether they are visible or not, and I am letting you to decide how the video quality is. In this case you are the judge, and you should decide whether you get perfect footage or not. Night vision is quite good compared to the price of this particular product. You can't expect outstanding video quality at a budget dash cam, but it will serve your purpose, and it takes the footage decently, and number plates are visible when you are near about the car. You can't see at a distance, and the field of vision is very good In fact, both sides of the roads are easily visible from the dash cam, and when you come near to the car, all the number plates are easily visible. So this is the night footage as you see in this particular dash cam. So this is under normal lighting conditions, under absolutely dark roads. I couldn't find such a situation, so I cannot give you that type of footage. This is the day footage in normal bright sunny day, and everything is spotlessly clear, and the day footage is very good. So this is how the dash cam footage is, and based on this particular video you can decide whether you should buy this dash cam or whether you should not buy this dash cam. My recommendation is, if I consider the price, this is a decent one and it will do the job done. So you can think of this particular dash cam as your dash cam for the car. Hope you like the video and I have been able to demonstrate this product. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.